but we're having such a good time. We should keep this rolling. I'm loving this energy.
Okay, so we're gonna do the Don't Die challenge.
Okay.
Yep. So just keep throwing money at us, guys. We'd love to see it. There's obviously the desert bus thing going on, so enter that, please,
And
please,
we're
please.
so close to a $40,000 shift total for Boogie.
Oh boy.
Less than $1,000 away, so let's try to get.
Hi,
John!
Go home, John. You're flat.
John Cena?
Built like
Hey, stop happening.
It's not happening.
John Cena?
John Cena is the guy that does a bunch of.
It's almost better if they didn't see it.
All right.
Let's do it.
Yes.
Okay. Oh, I think
This will be
Turn
alright.
it around and read the word at the top.
Rep, you're not gonna be able to be seen, by the way.
Okay, scoot over.
Just get on the couch. Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
good point. Tons of couch left.
Get on the dance
I don't
floor.
think so.
All right, here we go. Probably should.
This
Yeah.
is so dumb.
Oh Jesus.
Show it to him
Okay.
off camera.
This is the greatest advance in modern physics since the splitting of the atom.
This is serious. It's out to get your house. I believe I made my position here, boss, quite clear. We can have our house, but I'm dead.
Don't you know it's an exclusive club? Only explorers get in here. Not just any kid off the street with a helmet and a pair of goggles. Do you think you've got what it takes?
Yeah. This mountain is a very dangerous place. Didn't ask for any of this.
There's more.
Oh. Okay.
really enjoyed that.
I made it through that
Hold
one.
on.
Wait. Oh no, it's still going.
Hold on.
What?
Cut it back a little bit.
Did anybody make it?
No! Ryan got it.
Yeah, here's the thing. I just want to see that movie.
I've never actually seen Up. That seemed pretty
There should
accurate,
be-
right?
Like
This is
5
a-
minutes into Up, I was crying.
Are you sure about the